Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May 23rd, 2018, and I'm going to be transplanting some of my salvia plants today. And these get 24 inches tall. So what I actually did with my window box here is I put a taller variety of celosia in the back, and I'm going to be putting these in between here. So let me get one out here. Go. And we can see the root system on these. Now these do have a tuber because you can actually dig these out at the end of the season, like before a really bad freeze would come or frost would come. You definitely want to get them up before a freeze would come. And you can store these like you would your dahlias. So I'm actually going to be going in between here. I'm making my hole here for this. Move some of this here. And you can see the tubers right here. So we don't want to break these off. On your regular salvia, you can like rough the root system up. On these right here, we want to be very careful we don't break these off and damage these. So I'm just I did kind of pull these out a little bit, but I'm not pulling them away from the soil. So I'm just going to stick this in here, put this around. So what my plan is my celosia is going to come up and it'll bloom for me. And then this will kind of fill in the middle. The salvia will fill in the middle. So I'll show you here another one. Okay, now this one here wrapped the whole way around, so there's really not too much that I can do. I'm just getting like the little, I guess I call them like spider roots. I don't know if that's really what they call them, but I'm just pulling these out a little bit. I'm not disturbing this big tuber here. I'm letting that go. Now on your regular salvia plants, you can just rough the whole root system up. You don't have to worry about these. There we go. And normally my celosia is a lot bigger than what it is right now. I got a late start on it, but it will grow. Where I'm going to have this at, it's going to get the sunlight, so this is definitely going to grow. I'm not worried about it being shorter. I've seen what it can do, so let's see here. Another one here. Grab a short. Okay. Take this one right here. And again, the same thing. I'm just trying to get the roots loose some. And you do this too, even if you plant them like out in your flower beds and stuff. You want to make sure you just loosen the roots up. There we go. Make my hole over here. Alright, there we go. Over here, whoops. So that's how I transplant my salvia plants. Now I am going to be putting more plants in this planter along with these. So to fill it all in, and because of our weather this year, I kind of had to hold my stuff longer than normal. So I did get some spots in the leaves, but they'll be okay. There's nothing wrong with them like that. It's just from trying to hold them was just having difficulties trying to hold them, so our weather cooperated. So I will finish this planter and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done with it. Okay, so I'm back and I finished planting this all up here. So I put in 2 different kinds of celosia. I put in 2 different kinds of salvia. I put in petunias, and I put in marigolds out in the front. So as this continues to all grow together, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show you what it looks like. And so I'm going to water this after I get it set into its final place, because it's kind of heavy with the plants in it now. So as soon as I get this put in its place, then I'm going to give it some water. And I love these pink petunias. This is a celebrity mix. And I just love the mix. It has so many different color petunias in it and so many different styles. Like you'll have stripes, you'll have bicolors, and I just really like it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.